Rapid Prep is pleased to introduce our new Hurricane QC500 Quiet Diesel Vacuum. We've taken years of successful operation in the dry dock industry where we revolutionized safety and production by delivering a vacuum that operates under 85 decibels at full load. When Rapid Prep brought the Quiet Technology to shipyards, hearing claims and job site safety improved dramatically. The best part about our new Quiet Technology is performance is not compromised whatsoever. The unit performs the same as its loud brothers. With 170 horsepower John Deere turbo diesel, the unit produces 2,300 CFM of vacuum at up to 27 inches of mercury and can dump from its discharge bag house into a container up to 8'3" in size. Rapid Prep has brought the Quiet industrial diesel vacuum to our rental fleet nationwide. For more information or to see a demonstration, please contact us.